My name is Ashley Welker. I am a content manager of our public bidding, our government bids side. For the side of content that I cover, we do bidding projects for the public sector. So if the city of Cincinnati wants to add on to their town hall, they want to either renovate or add a new wing, or maybe they want to demolish the old city hall and build a new one. We're gathering all of that content from the early stages of a press release saying that, they want to do this, to getting the advertisement in the newspaper for, hey, we're going to now finally bid this, all the way through when they award a general contractor. When I joined the company 20 years ago, technology-wise, a lot different than what it is now. And that's another big reason why I myself have just really enjoyed the work and what I do here, because every year I get to learn something new. So I don't think it ever gets stagnant or boring here. Some of the things that you learn in this role allow you to really have the best foundation that you can have in order to move into other parts of the business. We have so many people throughout the business who started in content who are very, very successful. Some have gone into team lead roles and manager roles because they just have that basic foundation understanding of how we really can impact the customer. As a manager, that's my job, is to help them achieve what they want to achieve and continue to grow within the business.